All right, hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be showing you, giving you kind of a little tutorial on how to store your vinyl for your car wrapping business, or if you're doing this in your own garage and you want to do in your own car, this is a great solution on how to store the vinyl. A lot of the brands that actually make vinyl storage racks, they're quite expensive, a couple $100, a few $100, and I thought I could do a solution that would be much cheaper. So we're gonna go ahead and walk you through how I built this rack. This one holds 5 units. I could have added more, but 5 should be good for me for now. So here we go. All right guys, so now I went to Home Depot, I got all the pieces and components that I need to make my rack. Mine's gonna be a little more expensive than what I'm posting because I'm posting what can be built for 1 unit. For just 1 roll, I think for most people doing this in their garage, 1 roll is actually just perfectly fine. I'm gonna hold 4 or 5 rolls with mine. However, I'm gonna be going ahead and mounting this here. If you guys have watched the channel before, you know that my drywall in the shop is very, very thin. So I'm gonna try and anchor those posts on there as well as I can, and then I'll be painting them. But first I wanna make sure I can get them anchored in super, super well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, so the 2 main posts went up pretty easily. They feel anchored in really well. So hopefully that's enough. Again, these walls are just terrible, so hopefully it's enough. I'm gonna go ahead and paint these posts, and then we'll put the actual mounting brackets on and go from there. All right guys, so we got them painted, mounted. Pretty happy with it so far. I didn't go crazy with the paint. You can still see the wood grain through it, but that's not my concern. It's gonna be covered and kind of blend back in with the wall anyway, so I'm not really concerned about that. I'm gonna hit this with some heat, and then we're gonna go ahead and mount the brackets on there and see how it looks. Now, the reason I actually put these up and didn't just mount the bracket to the wall is for 2 reasons. One being the wall is super thin, and just having 2 anchor points right next to each other, I think it'll just rip out. 2 is that these are the brackets, and they're not super deep. So depending on the width of the roll that you have, it may be hitting the wall. So by mounting it off of this little 1-inch, but 1x3, it gives us more room off the wall, and then it should be fine. We should be able to have the rolls even a full roll of 75 feet, even a 100-foot roll I think should fit fine. So anyways, I'm gonna hit this with some heat, let it dry, and then mount these guys on. All right guys, so I've got the first set mounted, and it has vinyl on it right now, and it's holding strong and looking good. So I'm pretty happy with that so far. As you can see, I have probably about 1.5 inches behind this. So even with the bigger roll, we should be fine, and I will test that in a minute. I have a big roll of dry carbon fiber, so we'll find out here shortly just how big a roll I can fit on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep on mounting these down the way, and we'll check back in with you in a second. All right guys, so I've got everything installed and everything's looking good. I'm pretty happy with it. For the bigger rolls, it is touching the 1x3. It's just touching a little bit. It depends on how big the core size is inside the roll. So it's definitely doing its job. I don't think it's any issue. I'll update you guys down the road if it is, but I don't think it is, but I'll go ahead and flip you around and show you exactly what I got. So as you can see, I've got 5 rolls on there right now. They're actually all equally spaced out. It just might look a little bit different because each roll has a little bit different amount of vinyl on it. But I'm pretty happy with that. I think it's a good solution. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a total tally of the price right now, right here on the screen. Super easy to do. Again, everything is linked down in the description below. Hope this helps you guys. I know I was looking for a cheaper solution, so hopefully this helps. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.